Hi friends, I'm gonna do a quick beef chili fry. I've got the ingredients already over here, which is coriander, tomato, sliced onion and green chilies, and I've got over here beef that is stripped and marinated with some vinegar, salt, pepper and ginger garlic, a little bit of turmeric, and that's it. It's been nicely marinating for a day now, so I'm going to take you to the next stage where I'm just going to fry off the beef first, allow the water to dry out, and then add the onions to it. So let me take you to the next stage. I've had this pot now on the gas, nice and hot. We're going to add the beef into it first. And then just break it down, just lightly spread it. Okay, and we just allow the water to come out of it and cook the beef off first, and then we add the onions to it. Now that you can see, the juice from the beef is nicely dried. We add the onions to it. Okay. That's about 2 medium onions. Peeled and sliced. So the fry of the onions and the meat. If you want, you can add a little bit butter to it, or you can add some oil to it so that you can fry it up. I'm going to add some little oil to it. And we add the tomatoes to it and the coriander. Remember, at all times, make sure you season your dishes. That's a little salt, and pepper. Give it a good stir.